Hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We are here for a better future. So hi everyone, how are you all? So, let's have our today's schedule. This is your today's schedule. After my session, we will be having class. We will be having economic session at 5 p.m. with Neha Ma'am. After the session, you will be having your economic session at 5 p.m. with Neha Ma'am, and accounts class 12 session at 6 p.m. and then economic session at 7 p.m. again. So after my session, there are 3 more classes. Hi Abhyankar, hi Anjali, hi Amanpreet, hi Sandeep. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Anubhav. Fine. I am also good, Sandeep. So, let's start this session with some positive vibes, with some positive thoughts. All fine, Abhyankar. I am also good. Like you. So, never stop believing in hope. Never stop believing because miracles happen every day. So हमें कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि जादू कभी भी हो सकता है. So never stop believing in hope because miracle happens every day. Hi Kashvi. So guys, this is class 11th accountancy session, and if you want daily updates and if you want daily notes, then you can subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce. If you want to have more such classes with us, then go and subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce, and also don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. You guys can also join our official Telegram group Vedantu Commerce, in which every teacher will be sharing the notes in the PDF form. You will be getting notes in this group. You can play quiz in this group, and you will be getting all the instant updates in this group. So this group is very beneficial for everyone. Go and join it quickly. The link is in the description box below. So, let's start now this session, and if you are confused regarding what to study now, because a lot of students are confused in this last time, that in these 2 months, what we have to study, from where we have to start. So don't be confused, guys. We are here to study you to teach you, not study you, to teach you in a structured format. If you are confused that from where to study, from where to start your revision, then don't worry. We are here to guide you in this most important time. For that, you may take our Commerce Pro Subscription. In this Pro Subscription, first of all, we are providing all these subjects. All these subjects are included in this Pro Subscription. All the important subjects, accounts, business studies, economics, mathematics, सारे subjects included हैं. Along with that, we are providing you more than 10 teachers having 5 years of experience. So highly experienced teachers will be teaching you in this crucial time. Along with that, all the teachers now will work on your weakness. The chapters you are weak, So we will be focusing on that chapters. So we are here to improve you in your areas of improvement. And we are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online teaching. You can unlimited watch the live classes on Vedantu app. You can take all the doubts on the spot from the teachers. So आपको doubts की बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं है. आप on the spot teacher से doubt पूछो. There will be dual teacher mode. One teacher will be teaching you and another teacher will be there to take your doubts on the spot. Also, we will be providing you regular tests, regular assignments so that you can excel in all the subjects. Gaurav, Neha ma'am left Vedantu. Who said that? And all these sessions will be conducted in English only. All these sessions will be conducted in English only. So these all features are provided to you in this Pro subscription. The actual price of the Pro subscription is 3499 for 1 month. But right now we are providing you flat 20% discount on this Pro subscription. And after discount, आपको सिर्फ पे करना है 2799. You have to pay 2799 only for 4 subject. For 4 subject. So the per month cost will be 699. Neha ma'am teaches business, not mathematics. Neha ma'am teach you economics, not mathematics. We have Aditya sir for mathematics. Neha ma'am तो economics पढ़ाती हैं गौरव. So guys, you have only 2 months and 11 students have less time for that now. 11th वालों के पास तो 2 महीने भी नहीं है. तो किसका इंतजार है बच्चों? अगर आपको अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, अब भी टाइम है. Go and take this Pro subscription to score good marks in your exam. And the code that you can use for getting 20% discount is SCPRO. Go and use this code to take 20% discount on Pro subscription. Now, let's start our session, Rectification of Errors. Today, we are going to do revision and practical questions of Rectification of Error. So, let's start with this session now. And we will be starting with the practical questions. So, here is your first question. The first question is on the screen. So, go and read the question, guys. Read the question. How will be the following errors rectified? कैसे आप इन errors को rectify करोगे? First, purchase book is overcasted by 10,000. Purchase book is overcasted by 10,000. So we have done this at the time of chapter. जब हमने rectification of errors किया था. When we were doing this chapter, I have told you 2 golden rules, 2 important things related to rectification. In error of casting, there can be 2 possible things. The items may be undercasted, the account balance may be undercasted, or it may be overcasted. You may face undercasting, you may face overcasting. What do you mean by undercasted? When the balance is recorded less. जब आप किसी के बैलेंस को कम रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हो, उसको बोलते हैं अंडरकास्टेड. When the balance is recorded more, when the balance is recorded more, it is known as overcasting. जब आप किसी को ज्यादा बैलेंस को रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हो उसको बोलते हैं ओवरकास्टिंग. Yes, Mugda, when the balance is short, it is known as undercasted. When the balance is short, it is known as undercasted. When the balance is excess, when the balance is excess, it is known as overcasted. Now, the treatment of undercasted and overcasted is, in undercasting, you will do the same. In undercasting, you will do the same. If an account has debit balance, you will again debit it. अगर किसी अकाउंट का डेबिट बैलेंस है उसको फिर से डेबिट कर दो. अगर किसी अकाउंट का क्रेडिट बैलेंस है, अगेन क्रेडिट इट. So we will do the same treatment. And in overcasted, you have to do opposite. In overcasting, you have to do opposite. Yes, you will do the reverse in overcasted. You will do reverse in overcasted. If an account has debit balance and it is overcasted, to do the treatment, to rectify it, you will do the reverse, you will credit that. And similarly, if an account has credit balance and it is overcasted, then to rectify that, you will do reverse, you will debit that account. So, undercasted में हमें same treatment करनी होती है, overcasted में हमें reverse करना होता है, opposite करना होता है. So, these are the rules of undercasting and overcasting. नीलम, यहाँ पढ़ाई हो रही है. ये हम हैं, ये हमारा YouTube चैनल है और यहाँ पढ़ाई हो रही है. पार्टी तो नहीं हो रही है अभी. Hi Krishna. Okay. So first transaction that we have is purchases is overcasted by 10,000. Now purchases are overcasted by 10,000. In overcasting, we do reverse. In overcasting, we do reverse. Purchases has debit balance. Purchases has debit balance. You will do reverse and you will credit purchases. To rectify, you will credit purchases. Now, in journal entry, every debit item has a corresponding credit item. Journal entry complete कैसे होती है? Debit भी होना चाहिए, credit भी होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर debit क्या होगा? We have credited purchases. हमने परचेजेस को क्रेडिट कर दिया है, लेकिन डेबिट क्या करें? द जर्नल एंट्री इज नॉट कंप्लीट. टू कंप्लीट द जर्नल एंट्री वी विल डेबिट सस्पेंस अकाउंट. टू कंप्लीट द जर्नल एंट्री वी विल डेबिट सस्पेंस अकाउंट. यस मुग्धा, वेल डन. थैंक यू नीलम, थैंक यू सो मच. सो द आंसर इज सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेजेस 10,000. Suspense account debit to purchases 10,000. Next transaction. Next transaction is purchase return book is overcasted. In overcasting, we do the opposite. Purchase return has credit balance. You will do the reverse, you will do it debit now. परचेज रिटर्न का क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है, हम उसका क्या करेंगे? रिवर्स करेंगे. परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट. नाउ द जर्नल एंट्री इज नॉट कंप्लीट बिकॉज देयर इज नो क्रेडिट आइटम. जर्नल एंट्री कंप्लीट नहीं है. कैसे कंप्लीट करेंगे? अरे मैम, अब तो पता है हमें, हम लोग सस्पेंस अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर देंगे. So the second entry will be, yes, well done Sandeep. The second entry will be purchase return account debit to suspense account. Purchase return account debit to suspense account 1,000 and 1,000. Purchase return को डेबिट कर दिया, सस्पेंस को क्रेडिट कर दिया, हो गई जर्नल एंट्री. तो चलिए अब चलते हैं अगली ट्रांजैक्शन की तरफ. Hi Yuvraj, hi Zorba. The third transaction is purchase return book balance. Purchase return books balance is carried forward in excess. Purchase book balance is recorded in excess. I have told you that recording in excess means overcasting. If the balance is recorded in excess, अगर कोई बैलेंस ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड किया है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? ओवरकास्टेड. एंड इन ओवरकास्टिंग वी डू रिवर्स. ओवरकास्टिंग में हमें रिवर्स करना होता है. तो परचेज रिटर्न का कौन सा बैलेंस होता है? क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है मैम. सेकंड में ही तो किया ना अभी. तो अभी फिर से क्या करना है? हमें परचेज रिटर्न को डेबिट करना है और किसको क्रेडिट करेंगे? सस्पेंस अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करेंगे. The same journal entry will be passed as the second one. यहाँ पर डिफरेंस क्या था? सेकेंड में क्लियरली मेंशन था overcasted. In second transaction, it was clearly mentioned that it is overcasted. In third, it is given indirectly. It is carried forward in excess. So this is also overcasting, but this is given indirectly. So third answer will be same. Purchase return debit to suspense 100 and 100. Purchase return debit to suspense 100 and 100. Well done, Sandeep. I am proud of you. You have given the next answer too. So, next and last transaction of this question is purchase book. Purchase book is carried forward in excess. Purchase book is also overcasted by 1,000 rupees. Purchase book is also overcasted. So in overcasting we do reverse. Purchases has debit balance. Purchases का कौन सा balance होता है? Debit balance. You will do reverse. You will credit purchases. And which item will be debited? Which item will be debited? Suspense account. So these are one-sided error. ये कौन से error है? One-sided error. जहां पर हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? Suspense account. So the journal entry will be suspense account debit to purchases account 1,000 and 1,000. This is your answer for the fourth transaction. Purchases were overcasted. To rectify that, we have credited purchases account. Purchases overcast थी, तो उसको सही करने के लिए हमने purchases को क्या किया? रिवर्स किया, क्रेडिट किया. अब क्रेडिट तो कर दिया, लेकिन डेबिट किसको करें? किसको करेंगे? सस्पेंस अकाउंट को डेबिट करेंगे. So now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? So that we can proceed to the next question. Is this question clear to everyone? Clear, Anjali. Yes, Sonali. Yes, Monica. Okay, so now coming on to our next question, and this is your question. This is your question. So now they are asking to rectify the following error, assuming, read the question carefully, assuming that there is no suspense account. हमें इन एरर्स को रेक्टिफाई करना है और हमें ये मानना है कि सस्पेंस अकाउंट नहीं है. सो नाउ यू हैव टू रेक्टिफाई दीज एरर्स विदाउट ओपनिंग सस्पेंस अकाउंट. हमें सस्पेंस अकाउंट को ओपन नहीं करना. सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल राइट डाउन इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव लेजर. हम क्या करेंगे? उनके लेजर्स में लिख देंगे बस. वी विल नॉट पास जर्नल एंट्री. हम लोग जर्नल एंट्री पास नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हमें सस्पेंस अकाउंट ओपन नहीं करना. So, first transaction, salary of 5,000 paid to Rahul, what was not posted to salaries account. आपने सैलरी पे करी राहुल को, दैट इज नॉट पोस्टेड टू दी सैलरी अकाउंट. सो इन दिस salary account is to be debited. In this salary account is to be debited and it is not posted to the debit side of salaries account. अगर आपने सैलरी पे करी है तो जर्नल एंट्री विल बी salaries account debit to cash account. Salaries account is to be debited, which is not done. So in this, to rectify this transaction, we will post to the debit side of salary. To the debit side of salaries account, you will write down to cash. If it is not posted, now we will post it. Earlier it was not posted, so to rectify that, you will post it in the salaries account. So rectification is done, simple. So this is error of partial omission. This is error of partial omission. Salary paid to Rahul is not posted to the salary account. आपने कैश अकाउंट में तो पोस्ट कर दिया, लेकिन सैलरी वाले में नहीं किया. So this is error of partial omission. Now coming on to the next transaction, sales to Amrish of 1,430 rupees posted to his account as 1340. The journal entry will be, yes Komal, well done. The journal entry will be Amrish debit to sales account. This is the journal entry. In the Amrish account, we have recorded wrong amount. हमने जो amount है, the actual sales are of 1,430 rupees. The actual sales are of rupees 1,430 rupees. Yes, Anjali, you can also pass explanatory note because one-sided errors are rectified by giving explanatory note. So instead of making the ledger, you can also write down explanatory note. That salary account will be debited as to cash. You can write the explanatory note also. Okay? So, sales to Amrish of 1,430 posted to his account. It is posted to his account as 1,340. So Amrish account is debited short by 90 rupees. Amrish account is debited short by 90 rupees. This is error of recording, and yes, this is error of commission. Yes, Komal, this is error of commission. So now this is undercasting. This is undercasting. This is similar to undercasting because 1,430 is recorded as 1,340. So in undercasting, we do the same. In undercasting, we do the same. So Amrish account is debited. It will be again debited. It will be again debited by the difference 90 rupees. It will be again debited by 90 rupees. So the journal, not the journal entry, we will record in Amrish account on debit side. We will record in Amrish account on debit side. To sales 90 rupees. To sales 90 rupees because the journal entry was Amrish account debit to sales account. So he was undercasted by 90. Therefore, you have recorded on the debit side to sales 90 rupees. rupees. To sales, 90 rupees. Coming on to the third transaction. Third transaction is sales to Vijay of 2470. Sales to Vijay of 2470 rupees posted to his account as 2740. So 2470 is recorded as 2740. What you will call this? Tell me guys, what you will call this? If 2470 rupees is recorded as 2740 rupees, what you will call it? Yes, Sandeep. Yes, Sonali, it is overcasted, but Sandeep, his account is overcasted. It is posted to his account, not sales account. So Sandeep, sales account is not overcasted. Vijay's account is overcasted. So pass the journal entry. The journal entry will be Vijay's account debit to sales account. That's okay. So Vijay's account debit to sales account. Vijay account is overcasted. Vijay account is overcasted by 2740 minus 2470 by 270. Vijay account is overcasted by 270. In overcasting, we do the reverse. So now you will credit Vijay account. Now you will credit Vijay's account by 270 rupees. Now we will credit Vijay account. So on the credit side of the Vijay's account, buy sales 270. Yes, we will credit Vijay's account. So buy sales 270. Coming to the next one. The next is purchases from Pal. Purchases from Pal of 1430 posted to his account as 1340. When you are purchasing goods, the journal entry will be purchases account debit to Pal account. Purchases account debit to Pal account. So his account is, in this you have recorded 1430 as 1340. So this is undercasting. 1430 is recorded as 1340. This is undercasting. Yes, Sandeep, Pal account is undercasted because it is posted to his account as 1340. So his account, Pal account, is undercasted. And in undercasting, we do the same. In undercasting, we do the same. So Pal will be credited by 90 rupees. Pal will be credited by 90 rupees. So Pal will be credited by 90 rupees. By purchases 90 rupees. Pal will be credited by 90 rupees. Now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? Yes or no? Yes, Sandeep. Monica, Anjali, Sonali. Yes, Anjali. Come on, guys. Tell me quickly. Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Okay. So now coming on to the next question. Question number 3. Hi, Manjeet. This is your question. This is your question. The first transaction is, first of all, pass the journal entries. You are required to pass journal entries rectify the following error. The first transaction is purchases for 10,000 was omitted to be recorded. Purchases for 10,000 omitted to be recorded. You have not recorded the purchases. So the entry will be purchases 2. Sandeep, in this we have assumed that it is not only recorded in purchase account. This is the full transaction. Purchases for 10,000 was omitted to be recorded in purchases account. Now we have to pass the journal entry. Purchases for 10,000 was omitted to be recorded in purchases account. So, purchases account will be debited. You will record in the purchases account and purchases account will be debited. Which account will be credited? Which account will be credited? Suspense account will be credited. So, the journal entry will be purchase account debit to suspense account. Purchase account debit to suspense account 10,000 and 10,000. Next transaction. Next transaction is, now there is no overcasting, there is no undercasting. The rules are going to be changed. This is error of principle, you can say. This is error of principle. Purchases of office furniture of 10,000 was recorded in the purchase book. Purchases of office furniture is recorded in purchase book. This is error of principle. Because if you are purchasing furniture, which account is to be debited? अगर आप furniture खरीदते हो, कौन सा account debit होगा? Come on, tell me. When you purchase furniture, which account you will debit? Tell me quickly in the chat box. If we are purchasing office furniture, which account will be debited? I have only one answer from Sandeep. Sonali, yes. Which account will be debited? Furniture account. So debit the correct account. If you are purchasing furniture, furniture is to be debited. Debit furniture account. And by mistake, you have recorded in the purchase book. By mistake, you have debited purchase account. So now do the reverse of the mistake. Do the reverse of the mistake. By mistake, purchases was debited. So now you will do the reverse. To cancel your mistake, to cancel the error, you will do the reverse and you will credit purchase. तो फर्नीचर डेबिट होना चाहिए, फर्नीचर को डेबिट कर दिया. हमसे गलती हो गई थी, हमने परचेजेस को डेबिट कर दिया था, तो गलती को सुधारने के लिए उसका रिवर्स कर दो. To cancel the effect of the error, do the reverse. Purchases was debited. Now do the reverse, credit purchases. So the entry will be furniture account debit to purchase account. Furniture account debit to purchase account. This is our shortcut to pass the journal entry. हमारे पास एक पूरा process भी है इसको pass करने का. We have a complete process to pass this rectification entry, but that will become lengthy. बता देती हूँ आपको how to pass the rectification entry. There is a complete process, but that is lengthy in exams. You will make 3 columns. You will make 3 columns. First, you will pass correct entry. Then you will pass wrong entry. Then you will pass reverse of wrong entry. So you are purchasing furniture. The correct entry will be furniture account debit to cash account. This is correct entry. The wrong entry that you have passed is you have recorded in the purchase book. So wrong entry is purchase account debit to cash account. Third, pass the reverse of wrong entry. Pass the reverse of wrong entry. So reverse will be, I'm sorry, I have to write it again. Correct entry, furniture to cash. This is correct entry. Wrong entry is purchases to cash. Reverse of wrong. Reverse of wrong will be cash debit to purchases. This is reverse of wrong. Now, after passing all the three entry, at the end you will combine these two entries. You will combine these two entries. We have passed the reverse entry. हमने reverse entry क्यों pass करी? To cancel the effect of wrong entry. Now combine these two entries. You can see that cash is debited and cash is credited. So cancel out the opposite same item. Cash debit, cash credit, cancel out. The rectification entry will be furniture debit to purchases. The rectification entry will be furniture debit to purchases. But see, this is a lengthy process. So it depends on you. You want to pass the journal entry through this process or through the through the hint. Hi Mandeep. We have already prepared that, Aarti. We have already prepared it. You can see the Saturday video. On Saturday, we have a complete session on this project work. We had a live session on this topic. So this is your rectification entry. So that's what I am telling. If you are purchasing furniture, furniture account will be debited. And the account you have debited by mistake, that is your error that you have debited by mistake, do the reverse of that. अगर आपने गलती से purchases को debit कर दिया, do the reverse now and credit purchases. This is also the same rectification entry. Okay. Now coming on to the third transaction. Third transaction is office rent was debited to the personal account of the landlord. Office rent, if you are paying rent, which account is to be debited? If you are paying rent, which account is to be debited? Rent account. We will debit rent account when we are paying rent. But we have debited to the landlord account. By mistake, we have debited to the landlord account. So now do the reverse and credit landlord's account. Now do the reverse and credit landlord's account. Hi Navya, I am all good. What about you? So the entry will be rent account debit to landlord account. Rent account debit to landlord account 15,000 and 15,000. Coming to the last transaction. The last transaction is old machine was sold. You are selling an old machinery for 5,000 and it was credited to sales account. You are selling old machinery that you have credited to sales account. So when we sell old machinery, which account is to be credited? When we sell old machinery, we will credit machine. जब हम मशीन बेच रहे हैं, वी आर सेलिंग द ओल्ड मशीन, सो यू विल क्रेडिट मशीन अकाउंट, not sales, because sales are credited when you sell goods. Sales are only credited when you sell goods. Here you are selling machine, so we will credit machine account. And by mistake हमने किसको credit कर दिया? Sales को. By mistake we have credited sales. So now do the reverse and debit sales account. Now do the reverse and debit sale account. So the journal entry will be sales debit to machinery. Sales debit to machinery 5,000 and 5,000. This is your rectification entry. Sales debit to machinery. Now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? If there is any doubt, you guys may ask me in the chat box, comments box. Well done, Sonali and Sandeep. You have answered it correct. Clear, Sandeep. What about the remaining 7 students? Guys, is this clear to you? Okay. So now coming on to our 4th question. This is your question. This is your question. All are sleeping, ma'am. Guys, please don't sleep. We are here to teach you for your exams and you all are not replying even yes. हम टीचर्स 1 घंटे कॉन्टिन्यूसली बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन आप लोग एक yes का रिप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. इतने लेजी होना अच्छा थोड़ी होता है. You can at least write yes or no. It will take only 1 second. So the 4th question is rectify the following errors. You have to rectify the following errors. The first transaction is sales book of December was added short by 500. We have done this overcasting and undercasting. Tell me the journal entry, guys. Sales book was added short by 500. Anjali, Monica, Sonali and Sandeep, I want answer from you guys. I have one answer. What about girls? Sonali, what will be the journal entry? Well done, everyone. You all have passed a correct journal entry. Sales is added short by 500. Sales is undercasted. Sales is undercasted. So in undercasting, we do same. Sales is having credit balance. You will again credit sales. Sales has credit balance. You will again credit sale. And we will debit suspense account. Which account will be debited? Suspense account. So the journal entry will be suspense account debit to sales account. Suspense account debit to sales account 500 and 500. Next transaction. Tell me the answer of next one. The total of purchase book was cast short by 5,000. Purchase book was cast short by 5,000. Purchase book is the undercasted. What will be the journal entry? Yes, purchases has debit balance. Purchases का कौन सा balance होता है? Debit balance. So we will again debit purchases. We will again debit purchases. and which account will be credited? Suspense account will be credited. So the journal entry will be purchases account debit to suspense account. Purchases account debit to suspense account 5,000 and 5,000. Coming on to the third. Third is total of purchase return book has been undercast by 1500. Purchase return book is undercasted by 1500. Okay, Sandeep had already answered this. So, if purchase return book is undercasted, purchase return book has credit balance. Purchase return book का कौन सा balance होता है? Credit balance. In undercasting, you will do same. You will again credit purchase return. And which account will be debited? Which account will be debited? Suspense account. So, suspense account debit to purchase return. Well done, Sandeep, Monica, Sonali, and Anjali. You guys are doing great today. Well done. Keep it up, guys. The entry will be suspense account debit to purchase return. The last one is the sales return book is added 200 short. The sales return book is added 200 short. So, sales return book is undercasted. So, you will do the same. Sales return has debit balance. We will again debit sales return account. We will again debit sales return account, and which account will be credited? Suspense account. Which account will be credited? Suspense account. Hi, Ashmit. So, for third, the journal entry will be suspense to purchase return, and for fourth, the journal entry will be sales return debit to suspense. Suspense to purchase return and sales return to suspense. So, today we have covered one-sided errors. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. we will be covering the two-sided errors. Today we have covered one-sided error. Tomorrow we will be covering the two-sided error. Now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? Diya, do you have any doubt? Diya, do you have any doubts? Clear Anjali, clear Sandeep, clear Monica. Clear. So do you guys want more classes like this? Do you want more classes like this with me? Yes, Priyadarshini. Yes, Anjali. Yes, Sandeep. Yes, ma'am. More classes, surely. So, guys, I will be coming daily live. I will be coming live daily at 4 p.m. to discuss practical questions of different chapters. And if you want to attend sessions of more than 1 hour with me, you want to attend daily live classes with me, and you want to learn more about the concept, then you can also take Pro Subscription. You can also take Pro Subscription. I know Sandeep, Monica, Anjali, you were all having the first class today. You all were new in my session. I knew that. Yes, guys, I take daily live classes at 4 p.m. And you guys can also take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you all of these benefits. In this Pro Subscription, we are providing you all these subjects. You can watch account session, economic session, business study session, and math session. All these subjects are included in this Pro Subscription. Along with that, we are providing you more than 10 teachers having 5 years of experience. So highly experienced teachers will be teaching you in this Pro Subscription. And the most important thing, all the teachers will continuously work on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. We are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online teaching. You can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects. And you can ask all your doubts on the spot from the teachers. You don't have to wait for tomorrow or any other day. Your doubts will be cleared on the spot in this session. We will conduct regular tests for you. We will provide you regular assignments in the Pro Subscription. And all the classes will be conducted in English only. All these sessions will be conducted in English only. So all these features are provided to you in this Pro Subscription. The actual price for 1 month is 3499. Right now, we are providing you flat 20% off, 20% discount on this Pro Subscription. After discount, you will only have to pay 2799 for 1 month. And this is half of your school fees. In 2799, we are providing you 4 subjects. So per subject cost will be only 699 per month. Per subject cost will be only 699 per month. So guys, what are you waiting for? You have limited time for your exams. Class 11 students have hardly 1 month now. So guys, still you have enough time. Go and take this Pro Subscription now so that you can score good marks in your exam. And for discount, you may use my code SCPRO. This is my code which will help you to avail 20% discount on Pro Subscription. So go and use this code to take your Pro Subscription now. And I would love to see you all on Pro Subscription. Hi Manish. So that's it for today. Now see you all in the next class tomorrow at 4 p.m. See you all tomorrow at 4 p.m. with some other important question on the same chapter. So tomorrow at 4 p.m. we will be doing some other important question of this chapter. Your exams are from 9th March. Okay, Anubhav. So guys, if you want daily updates from us, if you want daily notes from us, then go and subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce. For more such classes, go and subscribe to it quickly. And don't forget to like this video and share this. You guys can also join our official Telegram group Vedantu Commerce if you want to receive notes in the PDF form. अगर आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चंस PDF में चाहिए तो अभी जाइए हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करिए. द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. संदीप अभी नहीं हुआ. इट विल टेक 2 more days मे बी फॉर बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज. वी विल बी डूइंग दैट सून. जल्दी से करेंगे बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज भी. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you all enjoyed this session. So now see you all tomorrow at 4 p.m. Same time, same जगह. कल मिलते हैं. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye bye everyone.